Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. It's raining outside, but I think you all are doing your work and all are safe. Today I am coming with a video that is a simple program in Python. I will take the number from the user and I will sum the digits of the number until it becomes a single digit. So for that, first I have to take the number from the user and I will store it in x variable. Then I will call the function. So what is the function name I have given here? That is sum underscore of underscore digit. And I am calling the function that is in line number 1 and I am passing the value of x in n. And upon passing, I am checking a while loop condition. In while loop condition, it will run and if the value of n is greater than equals to 10. Because we know that if we cross the value 10, then it becomes a 2-digit. So first the value should be greater than equals to 10. If it is greater than 10, then it will come in line number 3. Then what I am doing here, I am using a for loop. Okay. For digit in str, in parenthesis I am giving n. That is, I am converting the number which the user has given to string format so that the digit can iterate through the number, and the number is not in integer, it is in string data type. Upon iterating, it will convert the digit into integer and it will sum the digits of the number and it will store in n. Again it will check whether it is greater than equals to 10 or not. If it is, then again it will convert the number in string and it will convert it in integer and it will sum the digits and it will store it in until it becomes a single digit. And then it will return n. Upon returning, it will be stored in the result and in line number 8, I am printing the result. So let's run this program. So let me give the number 257 and see it's coming 5 because first it will check the number, that is 257 is greater than equals to 10. Yes, condition is true. Then it will come here. Then it will convert the number 257 into string data type. Then it will do what? It will iterate through the digit, that is the character. Because in number, if it is in integer type, then it will be digit. But since we are converting it in string data type, so here it will iterate through the characters. Upon iterating, it will convert it into integer and then it will sum the digits and it will store in the variable n. Upon repeating this process till it becomes a single digit. So here 2 plus 5 plus 7, it's coming 14. 14 is obviously greater than equals to 10. Again the while loop will run. Then it will do 1 plus 4, that is 5. 5 is greater than equals to 10. Condition is false. It is coming out of the while loop and returning n and printing the result. So here the output you can see it's 5. So bye bye. Have a nice day. Stay tuned to the next video. Have a great day. Bye.